Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our lesson today completing the part of triangle theorem 2, the ray drawing. The ray drawing from the midpoint of a side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. That means if D is midpoint, DE parallel to BC, that means E is midpoint. How I can write as a proof? Since D is midpoint, I will write here since D is midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC, then E is midpoint. Here there is a corollary. What is a corollary? The line segment. Take care, this is starting with line segment, not length, because the length is other part. The line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. How I can write the proof? I will write since D and E are midpoints of AC and AB, then ED parallel to BC. What about theorem 3? Theorem 3 talk about the length. The length of the line segment joining the midpoints equals the half the length of third side. Also, I will write since DE are midpoints of D and H are midpoints of each of them, then DH equal half BC. Exercise. The first one. If I start with the ray, what is the ray? The ray drawn from the midpoint of a side bisect parallel to another side bisect the third side. This is the first one. If I say that the line segment is parallel. But if I talk about the length of the line segment equal half the length of third side. Okay, the next one. Here, D is midpoint and DE parallel to BC. That means E is midpoint of AC. DE are midpoints. That means DE parallel to BC. Also here, if BC equals 6, that means ED half BC equals 3. The measure of angle ADE. At first, since DE are midpoints, that means DE parallel to BC. So measure angle B equal measure angle D, corresponding angles equal 90. The next one, the perimeter of triangle ABC 24. But AD half AB, AE half AC, ED half CB. So the perimeter equal half 24 equals 12. The next one, he asked me to find the perimeter of the figure DE, DBCE, DBCE, this figure. At first, AE equal AC, here is 2, here is 3. Take care, ED half BC, so BC will be 8. So the perimeter will be 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal 17 centimeter. Another example. This square's perimeter is 20. I will divide by 4 to get the side, it will be 5. Here is 5, here is 5, here is 5. Okay. He asked me to find the length of AF. As you know, in triangle ABC, M is the intersection point of diagonal, AM equal MC. Since M is midpoint of AC and MF parallel to CB, that mean MF half BC. Sorry, but I need to prove that F is midpoint, so I will repeat again. M is midpoint of AC, MF parallel to CB, then F is midpoint of AB, so AF equal 5 over 2 equals 2.5 centimeter. I will complete by the same way. Start to answer to the proof. At first he asked me to find the length of AY. I will start with triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, since E is midpoint of AB and EX parallel to CB, that means X is midpoint of AC. In triangle ACD, X is midpoint of AC. XY parallel to CD, that means Y is midpoint of AD. That means AY equals 6 over 2 equals 3 centimeter. Another example, he asked me to find the measure of angle ZYB. ZYB, here this angle. Since in triangle DBC, X is midpoint of DC and XY parallel to CB, that means Y is midpoint of BD. The next triangle, in triangle ABD, Y and Z are midpoints of BD and AB, that means YZ equal half AD, and it is not important in this part, but I put it as a quick revision. And also YZ parallel to AD, and I have BD is cut, so measure of angle ADB equal measure of angle BYZ equal 40 corresponding angles. He asked me to find the perimeter. In this example I will read the given, and he asked me to find the perimeter of parallelogram ABCD. The perimeter of parallelogram equal length of two adjacent sides, A plus 12 times 2, which is equal 40 centimeters. After that he asked me to find the length of AO. As you saw, since M is intersection point of diagonals, so in triangle ABD, M is midpoint of BD و MO parallel to AD, that means O is midpoint of AB, that means AO equal half AB, half time 8 equal 4 centimeter. This example by the same steps. Here he asked me to prove that CZ equals ZH. At first I will write since DA parallel to YX parallel to CB and AX equal XB, that mean DY equal YC, then Y is midpoint of CD in triangle HDC. Y is midpoint of CD, that mean, and YZ parallel to HD, that means Z is midpoint of CH, that means CZ equal ZH. This is an important example and it comes repeated in the examination. At first, he asked me to find the perimeter of the inside triangle. I will choose respectively each 2 points and start with them. Since E and F are midpoints of E is midpoint of BC and F is midpoint of AC, that means EF equal half AB, half times 5 equal 2.5. Okay, by the same steps I will choose E and F. E and D, sorry, are midpoints of CB and AB, that means ED equal half AC equal half times 7, which is equal 3.5. By the same way I will get ED, E and D are, I will complete all midpoints of BC and sorry, I choose E and D and choose the last one is FD. I will choose FD. F and D are midpoints of AC and AB, that means FD equal half CB, half times 8 equals 4. So the perimeter will be 4 plus 2.5 plus 3.5, which is equal 10 centimeter. By the same steps I will answer example number 14 and so on. Example number 16. As you see, ABC is a triangle. He asked me to find the perimeter of this figure. Since F and D are midpoints of AC and AB, that means at first FD equal half CB, half times 12 equals 6. Also CF equals half AC, half times 10 equals 5. Since E and D are midpoints of CB and AB. That means ED equal half AC, half times 10 equal 5, and CE equal half CB, half times 12 equal 6. So the perimeter equal 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal 22 centimeter. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.